ride of the season. We're heading down to the K River campground down in Oklahoma to go hang out with Adam Sandoval and the crew. Go raise some money and have a good time. It's a nice fall day here. A little smoke in the sky. I'm not sure what fire's going on right now, but it's pretty darn hazy. By the time I get back, those leaves will be gold or gone. And we'll be right back in the winter doing the winter videos. So come along with us on this trip. It's going to be Scruffy, Lori, and Dan and myself again. And just a good fun time. All right, let's go. Lori showed up here at the meetup spot here in Gunnison. We're going to head over to Salida, meet up with the boys like we kind of did that last trip. And I'm probably not going to video much of this, but we're going to be heading over Hunta for tonight. And this is the first day of our trip, so... Alright, well, we've arrived here in Hunta. Lori's just got here ahead of us, and we're going to hang out here with Bucket for a little bit and enjoy some adult beverages. Yeah, see.
10-15 minutes.
Like it was pretty easy, but...
We made it here to Hunta. Scruffy's got his party attire on. And yeah, we're gonna settle in and having a nice frosty beverage at the moment. Hi, Lori.
Hi, Barb. We made it the first stretch.
Yep, it actually was pretty easy today.
It was.
We had, except for the construction in Colorado as we were leaving, but for the most part, I think it was a pretty easy day. We hit every light. It was green. That was weird, but it worked, and you gotta love it. Well, good morning. It is Tuesday, and we're heading off to Enid, Oklahoma today. So we're going to go on down 400 towards Dodge City to Pratt, and then south to Medicine Lodge into Enid. And about a 7-hour day today. And camping an RV spot down there at a Rose RV. And then that's about it. So a little bit more footage today, but not too much again, because this isn't going to be, you've already seen a lot of what we've filmed from that Ozarks trip. So come along with us on this next day. so we're just taking a quick break here past Holly. And I'll tell you what, listening to ska when you're riding your motorcycle down the highway going 70, pretty dark fun, I'll say. Freaking hippie over here listening to the Grateful Dead. Break. My butt was getting numb, but then we're going to head down to Medicine Lodge, Kiowa, Cleo Springs, and then into Enid for the night. Alright, let's go. Alright, we made it here to Enid for the night. We just got the camp all set up. And we're having some adult beverages. And I'd point out the moon, but it's going to look like a little dot anyways. But it's kind of nice. It's pretty full. It's end of Tuesday. Another 300 miles or so today. And up early again tomorrow, down to Douglas and across into Antlers. And hopefully arrive at the campground somewhere around the same time, 6 o'clock or so. Alright, see you in the morning. Good morning. Alright, we're here in Enid after a nice, good sleep and rest. Now we're heading south on 81 to Duncan, so we got 3 hours straight south. Then we're going to head east 7 to the 3 to Antlers, and then up north to K River Campground. All right. So a little bit more footage today, not too much, and we're gonna have a good time. I can't wait. Here we go. Alright, well, we've stopped here in Chickasha, and we're going to head down to Duncan, fuel up, and then start heading east. Just shy, are we in Atoka or no? We're just shy of Atoka, and we're almost into Antlers, and next time you see us, we're going to be in K River Campground. Hot as snot today, oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright, made it to Antlers, and we're fueling up, picking up a few supplies, and then we're going to head into the campground. We're just about there. Man, it's hot down here. A little different. Left Colorado is 27 degrees that morning on Monday. Here we are on Wednesday, and whew, it's humid.
Yes, I'm excited to start drinking beer.
That's right. How about you, Dan? Are you excited to be here?
Yeah, it's been a long trip. It's gonna be fun.
I think so. And we got our bikes all packed up. No, I'm excited to be here. Finally, we can sit on our butts for a little while. And here we are in the background of the campground, back of the campground. And stage is just right there. It's gonna be awesome. All right. Party!